Today's featured pickup truck is a 1979 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe. And I'll read the seller's statement. And he stated 1979 Chevrolet C10 Square Body Custom Deluxe, beautiful Arizona native and title, power steering, all gauges in working order, manual transmission, low actual mileage. Driving this classic is an absolute pleasure, comfortable and very dependable. The new owner will be a happy one. And some more information, which the seller didn't put on his window there at the auction website, shows that it had 77,500 original miles, and it was a 6-cylinder manual shift, and apparently was in really good shape. It was a rust-free Arizona truck, and it had a 250 cubic inch 6-cylinder in it. And it ended up selling for $12,700, which at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And I thought you got quite a bit of truck for the money. Definitely a nice candidate for either a stock redo or put a V8 engine in it, make a resto mod out of it, a custom, whatever you want to do. Gave you a good base to work with for a nice running truck, rust-free for $12,000. But anyway, that's today's featured truck of the day, a 1979 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe, 6-cylinder manual shift with 77,500 miles, rust-free Arizona truck that I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $12,700. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.